Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Continuing the news now, Cyclospora linked to iceberg lettuce has now spread to 9 states in the United States, part of the largest reported outbreak in U.S. history. And Jamaica's Ministry of Agriculture says the country continues to monitor all imported lettuce, leafy vegetables and fruits from the U.S. The minister says imports were on the table following the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa and other issues in its wake. Romardo Lyons reports.
Red light on green vegetables. Well, those being imported. The government has heightened its surveillance of all imported iceberg lettuce, other leafy vegetables, and fruits from the United States amid the outbreak of the diarrhea-causing parasite Cyclospora. Now, with thousands of farmers across the island and a well-accepted Grow What You Eat campaign, why is Jamaica importing food in the first place? Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says it's neither large-scale nor a first option.
In general, when we are in good supply times, we don't have to import vegetables. We can sustain ourselves. We only look to vegetable importation when there is a downturn in supply after a weather-related event or in our drier months.
The weather-related event in question, Hurricane Melissa. Greenhouse farmers, to be exact, who focus on green leafy vegetables, suffered tremendous losses. Data from the ministry says over 300 greenhouses were lost.
Our vegetable farmers suffered tremendous impact during Hurricane Melissa, and a number of them are still recovering from Hurricane Beryl. Normally with these weather-related events, vegetable farmers are the most susceptible. However, after Hurricane Melissa, we did see very positive rebound. In fact, a number of our vegetables went into oversupply, largely because of the interventions from RADA, right, and our partners to get the vegetable farmers back up and running.
But is the rebound temporary? As the island embarks on drier months with scheduled water lockoffs, farmers are being put to the test.
Now we're in the drier months, and when you go into drier periods, it's more difficult for our vegetable farmers because of the amount of water that they need to bring the crop to fruition. So we continue to work with our vegetable farmers to provide them with some direct support in relation to water.
In the interim, the minister said the island has had to tap into external supply. However, the imports have not been extensive.
We haven't had any significant importation of lettuce, and clearly we continue to monitor the situation in the United States, and once the risk outweighs the need, then we won't allow it.
As for other vegetables coming in being monitored,
green cabbage, jumbo, carrots, right? There are other things that may come in small quantities. But one of the things that the phytosanitary team has already done is to ensure that we are upping our surveillance around all products that are coming in from the United States that are food-related products to ensure that we don't have any challenges.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.